In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request signature on DocuSign Google Docs. Start by opening the Google Doc you want signed. At the top menu, open Extensions, then choose Get Add-ons to launch the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the Marketplace, use the search bar and look up DocuSign eSignature for Google Workspace. When you see the listing that reads Upload Documents, Send and Sign Agreements via the DocuSign eSignature integration, select it to open its details page. Click Install, then follow the prompts. Grant the required permissions so the add-on can connect to your Google account and work with your documents. When the installation finishes, click Done to return to your document. Back in Google Docs, open Extensions again. You'll now see DocuSign eSignature for Google Workspace in the list. Click it, then choose Login. A window will appear asking you to allow access. Click Allow to continue and confirm any additional prompts so the add-on can link your Google account with DocuSign securely. If you're asked to sign into your DocuSign account, do that here. Once connected, the DocuSign sidebar will appear on the right side of your document. In the DocuSign sidebar, click Add Signers. This is where you prepare who needs to sign the document. Choose Add Recipient to create the first signer. In the name field, type the signer's full name exactly as it should appear. Next, click into the email field and type their email address carefully. Double-check for typos to avoid delivery issues. When everything looks correct, click Add to save that recipient to your envelope. With your first signer added, you're ready to continue. Click Next to move forward in the DocuSign flow. This takes you to the next stage, where you'll place the necessary fields and finalize the request. At this point, your Google Doc is connected, your signer is set up, and you're positioned to complete the sending process. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't immediately see the DocuSign add-on under Extensions after installing, refresh your browser tab and check again. Make sure you're using the correct Google account, especially if you switch between work and personal profiles. If your organization manages add-ons, you may need admin approval before installation. And finally, it's a good idea to confirm your signer's details in advance to avoid delays. That's it. Your document is prepared in Google Docs, DocuSign is installed and authorized, your recipient is added, and you're ready to proceed.